Guys, welcome back again, and I am very excited for this new year. So I have written so many plans. I write down each and everything which is important to do list. I make it, and I am suggesting you to do the same. Make your own journal, write down those things which is helpful for you, which you want to do it in the whole year, how you are going to do it, how you are the core things which you are going to implement it in your next day. So just make your little bit of idea about overview that, and then start to the breakdown of each and everything, and then start to step by step every day do that. Okay, this is the every task. This is the every task of doing it. The same core principle applied in everything. Okay, whenever you start any big thing, you have to break down it and do it every single day. Okay, this is the actually applied idea about everything. So whenever you start to doing it, you feel fair, you have some emotions that okay, we can do it in the next day. Don't not procrastinate it, just start doing it from the right beginning, and whenever you begin it, you feel that okay, I am good now, I can do that. I can do that means I have the potential that I can increase that too much. So whenever you start doing it, then you observe that this caliber is also in you, but you do not know actually what happens. We don't know how much what we can do. We have the immense capacity. I told you, I feel this, that we have a lot of capacity. Even we don't know what we can do, but we have to believe in ourselves. That is very important. First, you have to believe in yourself what you can do, and you have to believe that yes, this is the thing which you can do that. So then you start to learning it and trying to try and fail methods, and then again you learn it in a right way. So this is the thing which every human learn that. Okay, so you have to apply this in your life as well. Okay, do not feel any kind of fear, right? How I can learn it? If I will be fail in that, then what happens? People would laugh at me. Do not I can say that, do not feel that if anybody laugh at me, what would be how would I face that? Do not think about that. Be free, be open yourself, and let them happy. Okay, let them make their fun, but you are happy, you are ready to learn anything. It is your life, it is not bounded by somebody. Okay, there is after there are a lot of people around you, but you are not bounded with them. Okay, you are as an individual, you are free. Okay, so take your decisions, take your own responsibility, and try to do that whatever you loves to do that. Whenever you make yourself as a individual who is able to do anything, who is able to take responsibilities of the other, who is able to handle each and everything, then people will also going to attach you, to love you, to give their attentions to you. So it is all the things which are connected. But firstly, you have to stand for yourself. You have to understand who you are, what the capacity you have, how much the caliber you have, how much you can excel yourself, okay, in any field. So you have to understand, and this understanding comes from the first thing, which is the ground thing, which is the zero level thing. I can say that this is the initial thing, which is absolutely one phenomena, which is believe in yourself. Yes, this is the one thing, which is believe in yourself. Whenever you believe in yourself, everybody believes. Okay, this is the one thing. Just follow it, this simple thing. Whenever you believe something, everybody can believe on you. Okay, so first you have to believe it, what you can do that, and how you do it, you then search it. Okay, you then start learning it, try to do that. Do not care about the failure. Failure will also come. That is the part of learning. Okay, it is not separated. It is separated from your your winning thing. Whenever you win something, failure is, your failure and your past is different, right? So whenever you start to learning it, failure is also attached with it, but whenever you pass, it is gonna separate that too much for. So this is all the things which is, designed by the failure and the past one. So you have to do not care about anything. Whenever you fail too much, just do it again and again. Okay, this is the thing which gives you booster about how you can again stand and learn it. Thank you so much for watching me. I will come back again and give your suggestions, how many topics you want to make videos on, so that I can help you out. Till then, bye bye, take care.